As a property owner in California, it's essential that you understand the eviction process so you can defend your rights. Hey, I'm Ryan from the Kian Law Group, and today we're going to be talking about just cause evictions. And this is something you, as a landlord in California, have to know, especially if you own a residential property. Whether you want to repurpose your property or you're just dealing with some problem tenants, you need to know the law so you can defend your rights and avoid legal trouble. Let's start with what you as a property owner need to know about just cause. And that is, it's a set of laws that limit the type of evictions you can do, the type of reasons you can terminate a lease. As a landlord, you can evict under two categories: at fault and no fault. At fault is like non-payment of rent, material breach of the lease, criminal activity, or unauthorized subletting. Whereas no fault are situations like owner or family move-ins, substantial renovations, removing the property off the rental market, or complying with government orders. The big difference is, when you have a no-fault situation, you've got to pay your tenants money to help them move. As a property owner here in California, you need to know that you've got specific rights and specific responsibilities when it comes to evicting your tenants. These are some key steps for landlords. Serve proper written notice with specific details. Document all lease violations thoroughly. Follow correct timelines for different types of notices. And maintain clear records of all communications. Let's look at some common scenarios here in California where you as a property owner might have to start an eviction. Here are some common at-fault scenarios. Tenants consistently pay late or not at all. Property damage beyond normal wear and tear. Unauthorized occupants or pets. Nuisance complaints from neighbors. You also need to know the no-fault scenarios. You need to move back in your property. Major renovations required for safety. Converting the property to a different use. Compliance with government regulation. Here's how to properly execute an eviction here in California. 1. Serve the appropriate notice. 2. Document the tenant's failure to comply. 3. is file the unlawful detainer lawsuit. 4. is attending the court hearing. 5. is obtaining the writ of possession. 6. is coordinating with the sheriff for removal. Remember, following these steps precisely will protect your legal rights. Now, let's go over some tips to protect your rights. Make sure that you maintain very detailed records of all your communications with your tenants. Conduct regular property inspections and make sure you give proper notice. Keep a clear record of the rent payments and any records of missed payments too. You may want to consider hiring a professional property manager. Make sure you consult with legal counsel before you take action. Here in California, understanding just cause requirements is essential for protecting your property rights, especially when you're dealing with a problem tenant. If you're a California landlord dealing with a problem tenant that you need to evict, you need to go to my website right now at kianlaw.com and fill out a contact me form so we could reach out and help you. Don't let problem tenants ruin your investment. Seek professional legal advice from the Kian Law Group.